What on earth is this? Shocked beachgoers came across a mysterious sea creature washed up in the surf. The decomposing beast has been described as the length of a fighter jet and gave off a nasty odor. It was found in the shallows off Masan City on the island of Leyte, Philippines. Julius Alpino, from the Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, said the corpse could not be identified because it was already decomposing. Penn News Beast sunbathers were stunned when this mystery creature washed up on a beach. Penn News odor rescuers were forced to cover their faces from the smell given off by the beast. The smell was too bad. I can't describe it, but it was a bad smell. Local man Nujnij Capistrano, but the mammal, which measured 10 meters in length, could have been a whale, according to Mr. Alpino. Local man Nujnij Capistrano, 42, photographed the beast after spotting it as he was passing the beach. He said, "I was just passing by the beach and took some photos, but I don't know about the details. I was surprised because it's too big and it's the first time I saw that kind of creature." Penn News alien: the discovery could have been a whale. According to city officials, the Carcharicles megalodon was a monster shark that grew up to 59 feet long, bigger than a double-decker bus. Getty Images Perspectives: the Carcharicles megalodon roamed the oceans 2.6 million years ago. I don't know what they did with it, but one thing is for sure, the creature was already dead when I saw it. The smell was too bad. I can't describe it, but it was a bad smell. The creature was reportedly towed back out to sea because the smell sparked a health hazard. Photos from the beach show rescue workers at the scene and a vessel towing the creature away from the beach. The latest discovery comes just days after a freakish creature was spotted on a beach in Texas City, Texas, after Hurricane Harvey. Related articles.